I know my husband is talking about getting some more turkeys this spring coming up, because I think it's spring, because that's the only time they sell turkeys. Weird. But we should by next spring have more turkeys too. Wow, he got so big from when he was a baby. He was this tiny little scrawny little thing, and now he's like full of feathers and he's big. These guys are pretty healthy and big. So are all the duckies. They're all healthy. Oh, it's enjoying the cauliflower. Is it? Yeah, that is what it is. Oh, it's enjoying it. It likes it.
You want to go push it in the water, baby?
There you are. Yes, you are. Is that you? Dude. There's the ducky and the turkey together. Isn't it neat? Turkeys are the ones in the nice shade relaxing. Huh. You're in your little coopy area. Yeah, look at you. There's that. There's the other one. I don't know.
Ew, we should get clean water. That looks nasty.
Shh.
Here.
Oh, one of the baby chickens found its way over here. That's kind of cool.
Oh, I feel bad for that one. Good one's in
Here's the pictures of the duckies. Looks like they're drinking their own swimming pool area. They're weird. There's our white turkeys. It looks like the hens are in there arguing. Oh, there's the one that's limping, but she's healing. Here, let me move this way. Yeah. The turkeys and the duckies love lettuce. They love lettuce, spinach, anything that's got to do with leaves. They love it. Oh, did you see that? The ducky was under and he pulled him back up. That was awesome. These are our duckies. And that's their little, their little water. We just added one more ducky to the crew. That's the smallest one right over there. She was very skinny and we paid a little bit for her. I don't know if the other person was taking care of it, but it wasn't too well. So now we're starting to fatten her up a bit and she's starting to look very healthy like the rest of them, as you can see. And they seem to get along. At first they were kind of like, because they weren't part of the crew that were born together, so they had to get used to her, but now they basically have become part of a big family now.
Yes, yes. Eh? Eh? Tell him. See, the duck is happy in the water.
Wow, for a hot day, they're enjoying that water.
Yep, yep. Mire, chiquito, 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 mira. Ah. Pero ¿por qué el chiquito se moja más? No tiene, como que no tiene grasa, ¿verdad? Está más nutrido chiquito. Sí. La comida no, no. Sí. ¿Ves que se componga? Sí, ya se compone. Mira, 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 mira. Está bebito todavía. Mira, mira, mira. ¿Eh? ¿Qué es lo que hacen? ¿Cómo que toman? Están sacando las alas.
All the duckies are washing themselves, drying off. Looks like they really enjoyed their little swimming area. We're still putting a lot more water in there. Even though the little one here is still so tiny, still a baby. So we had to help it come out of the pool, out of their little water thing.
Yeah. No, just kidding.
And over here is the chicken and big chicken and hen big chicken, hen, and rooster area. Oh, right there. There's the other ones. There's all the roosters and the bigger hens. There's a lot more. Some of them are basically hiding in there somewhere because we got about 13 or 14 big ones. Oh, and here's our little chickens. Little chickie-doos. There's like little 6 of... Oh, one got out. Ooh, I gotta try to get it back in. This area here is the baby chicken area. If you notice, there's one baby chicken. There's a few others over here. See? There's more. There's the other one. Baby chickens, baby chickens. Baby chickens right over here. They're enjoying the hot day, out running around, getting their little exercise. Yep, I finally got the little one in. Now there's all 6 of them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, oh, 6. Okay. Perfect. It seems like the little ones are still trying to make themselves out of there, which only 1 or 2 have been able to get themselves out. But it's because most of the time, these guys don't stay outside all day. They go in at nighttime in a safe place. There's the baby chickens.
Scratch, scratch, a peck, peck.
D.
Scratch, scratch, a peck, peck. Nerd.
Oh, there's the bigger. Oop, that's the rooster. That one right there is the rooster. Then we got the chicks. The hens, sorry.
Scratch, scratch, peck, peck.
Look at this. Today we just got 6 more little baby duckies. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. These are a new batch to the ducky family. So now we got 6 little baby duckies. And we got 4 bigger duckies. So that all together, that's like 10. There's 10 all together. Pretty interesting. And here, look, here's the chickens, the baby chickens too at the same time. They're all in the same pen together. Little chickens. The little chickens. What, the little duckies? It's like they're all in like their separate little batches. Oh, there we go. Now he's starting to... Okay. Aren't they so cute when they're small? Oh my gosh. They're adorable. Look at the babies. Here we are. Little baby duckies and the baby little chickens together. What?